Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Triumph Speedmaster. This twin-cylinder 900cc cruiser just arrived with only 2,900 miles. Awesome looking black and dark blue paint scheme, beautiful chrome, super low mileage. It's got a nice low seat height. Come on by and make your Triumph midweight cruiser dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.